Welcome to our series on philosophers. Today we delve into the captivating mind of Heraclitus of Ephesus, a pre-Socratic Greek philosopher known for his profound assertion that change is the only constant in life. Born in the 6th century BCE amid political and social upheaval, Heraclitus observed the world as a dynamic, ever-changing entity. His philosophy revolves around the principle of constant flux, challenging us to embrace the fluid nature of reality and understand our place in this ever-evolving cosmos. Stay tuned as we journey through the timeless wisdom of Heraclitus, the philosopher of change. Panta rei, Heraclitus proposed, captures the essence of his vision, that everything in the universe is in a state of constant change. Imagine the ever-flowing waters of a river, always moving, never the same. He believed change is not just an occasional event, but the very foundation of our existence. This idea resonates powerfully today. From rapid technological advancements to dynamic shifts in societal norms, nothing remains static. In business, companies must continuously innovate or risk being left behind. Evolution, whether biological or technological, underscores his notion that resistance to change leads to stagnation. Embracing this flux, we realize that adaptability is not just a survival strategy, but a path to flourishing in an ever-evolving world. Heraclitus's timeless wisdom guides us to navigate these currents rather than be swept away by them. By recognizing and embracing the constant flow of life, we open ourselves to endless possibilities for growth and transformation. Heraclitus believed that opposites are indispensable for harmony. Conflict, to him, wasn't a source of chaos, but a dynamic force driving life's processes. Think about the balance we strive for between work and personal life, or how opposing political ideologies ignite debates that lead to social progress. It's this tension that fosters growth and development. Heraclitus saw strife not as a disruption, but as an intrinsic part of life. In today's world, his ideas resonate with modern discussions about balancing contrasting forces. Finding harmony in opposites can propel us towards a more enriched life. By embracing this unity of opposites, we see that resolution often emerges from the interplay of conflicting ideas. This ancient wisdom invites us to view conflict as a potential starting point for growth, innovation, and progress. Heraclitus introduced the concept of the logos, a vital principle that rationally governs the cosmos. This idea posits that an underlying order and reason permeates everything, from the stars in the sky to the thoughts in our minds. In today's world, the logos ties into our pursuit of scientific inquiry and rational thought, reflecting a quest to uncover the fundamental principles that guide the universe. Modern science, in seeking to understand the laws of nature, resonates deeply with Heraclitus' belief in a unifying rational order. As we decode the mysteries of the cosmos, we are, in essence, following in Heraclitus' footsteps. The logos not only connects us to the ancient world, but also underscores our contemporary commitment to reason and the pursuit of knowledge. Heraclitus' philosophy finds common ground with the timeless virtues and values cherished by humans across centuries. Adaptability and resilience are key themes that resonate with both his ideas and the wisdom of other philosophers throughout history. By acknowledging constant change and the unity of opposites, Heraclitus connects us to a broader human experience. These principles aren't just abstract ideas, but universal truths that guide us through life's challenges. Embracing change while maintaining resilience allows us to grow and thrive amidst the ever-shifting currents of our existence, just as Heraclitus envisioned. In today's world, embracing change is far from just a philosophical idea. It's a practical necessity. Heraclitus' insights show us that adaptability and openness to new experiences are crucial for personal growth. In business, these principles foster innovation and agility, driving companies to thrive in dynamic markets. Socially, his ideas promote tolerance and understanding, suggesting that conflicting perspectives can enhance cultural richness and dynamism. Heraclitus teaches us that change, while inevitable, can be navigated wisely. By learning to flow with life's constant currents, we can harness change to propel ourselves forward. Heraclitus' insights provide timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of modern life. His philosophy emphasizes that change is the only constant, and by embracing this, we unlock the potential for personal growth and societal progress. Heraclitus encourages us to find unity in diversity and seek rational understanding amidst life's uncertainty. So, as we journey through the ever-changing currents of existence, let us embrace change, cherish the harmony of opposites, and strive for wisdom in the face of perpetual flux. Remember, it's not the river you step into, but how you navigate its waters that defines your journey.